Bentonite sulphur, a helping hand for your garden. Gardening can be immensely rewarding, but sometimes our plants need a little extra help to thrive. Just like we need vitamins, plants need certain nutrients in the soil. That's where soil amendments like bentonite sulphur come in. Bentonite sulphur is a natural product that can do wonders for your garden. It's a bit like a multivitamin for your soil, providing essential nutrients and improving its overall structure. Think of it as giving your plants the best possible foundation to grow strong and healthy. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding the benefits of bentonite sulphur can help you create a thriving and productive garden. Bentonite sulphur is a combination of two natural ingredients, bentonite clay and sulphur. Bentonite clay is a type of absorbent clay formed from volcanic ash. It has a unique structure that allows it to hold on to water and nutrients, making them readily available to plants. Sulfur is a mineral that plays a crucial role in plant growth. It's essential for the formation of chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color and enables them to produce energy from sunlight. When combined, bentonite and sulfur create a powerful amendment that addresses multiple aspects of soil health. Bentonite improves drainage in heavy clay soils and enhances water retention in sandy soils, ensuring plants have access to moisture. Meanwhile, sulfur lowers the soil's pH, making it slightly acidic, which is ideal for many plants. Indian bentonites. A closer look. India is fortunate to have rich deposits of bentonite clay, particularly two main types: sodium bentonite and calcium bentonite. Sodium bentonite is highly absorbent and swells considerably when wet. It's particularly useful for improving the water-holding capacity of sandy soils, preventing nutrients from leaching away. Calcium bentonite, on the other hand, is less expansive but still improves soil structure by binding soil particles together, creating better aeration and drainage. Both types of bentonite, when combined with sulfur, offer significant benefits for Indian soils and crops. They help to create a balanced and fertile environment where plants can flourish. Section 4. Happy plants, healthy soil. The bentonite sulfur advantage. Using bentonite sulfur in your garden can lead to healthier plants and improved soil quality. Let's explore how it works its magic. Bentonite's ability to retain water and nutrients means that plants have a consistent supply of what they need to grow. This can be particularly important during dry spells or in regions with limited rainfall. Sulfur plays a vital role in chlorophyll production, ensuring plants can efficiently convert sunlight into energy. This leads to healthier, more vigorous growth and improved yields. By lowering the soil pH, sulfur makes nutrients more accessible to plants, particularly in alkaline soils, where certain nutrients can become locked up. Additionally, bentonite sulfur can help control certain soil-borne diseases by creating an unfavorable environment for harmful organisms. Section 5. Using bentonite sulfur. Less is more. One of the great things about bentonite sulfur is that a little goes a long way. The application rate will depend on your soil type and the specific crop you're growing. As a general guideline, sprinkle a handful of bentonite sulfur per square meter of garden bed and gently incorporate it into the top few inches of soil. The best time to apply bentonite sulfur is usually in the spring or fall when preparing your garden beds. You can also apply it during the growing season if you notice signs of nutrient deficiencies or soil problems. Certain crops particularly benefit from bentonite sulfur, including tomatoes. Bentonite sulfur can help prevent blossom end rot, a common problem in tomatoes caused by calcium deficiency. Roses. It encourages strong growth and vibrant blooms, making roses less susceptible to diseases. Lawns. Bentonite sulfur can help to create a lush green lawn by improving drainage and nutrient availability. Section 6. Bentonite sulfur, a boon for greener gardens. Bentonite sulfur is a valuable tool for any gardener looking to improve their soil and enhance plant health. Its ability to improve drainage, water retention, nutrient availability, and disease resistance makes it a versatile and effective soil amendment. Remember to always start with a soil test to determine your soil's pH and nutrient levels. This will help you determine the appropriate application rate of bentonite sulfur for your specific garden. By incorporating bentonite sulfur into your gardening practices, you can create a thriving and productive garden that brings you joy for years to come.